This wasn't built in a boardroom. It was built thanks to you. You told us what you needed. And we rolled our sleeves to create something faster. 10 times faster. Ultra intuitive. With maximum power and zero complexity. Introducing the completely redesigned WPX Control Panel. Set up SSL certificates in less than a second. Create and manage staging environments instantly. By clicking here, here, and voila! Use the latest PHP versions. Set up backups 5 times faster. When you need an extra hand, use the brand new Collaborator tools. Add as many email addresses as you need. You know the drill. Handle DNS settings with ease. Yes, with ease. The new interface puts everything exactly where you'd expect it, and guides you exactly how to use it. No more wasting hours on tasks that should take minutes. No more hunting through menus to find what you need. And if something ever goes wrong, our 30-second response support team has your back, as always. Your feedback shaped this. Welcome to your new control panel.